Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to generate barcode in PHP using PDF.co web API. You can see the link of full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Let's begin. First, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in PHP. Next, enter the PHP sample code and HTML sample code. Then, save the file. You can see the link of the sample code in the description box below. Now, go to your browser and type in localhost / your folder name / and the HTML file. In authentication key, add your API key. You can get the API key your PDF.co dashboard. Next, add the barcode value. Then, select the barcode type you'd like to generate. After adding the barcode, click the Generate button. Here's the generated barcode and its value. We've got a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And kindly hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.